All right, so there's a second version of the arm for Amos. So it's got the same Velcro that we had before. So you'll put your forearm right into here. There's a little bit of padding here, but it's good to wear a little bit of additional padding to make it more comfortable. And you'll put the Velcro strap over your arm. So you want to get this a nice tight fit. The tighter this is while still being comfortable, the better the arm will actually work. So you strap that to your arm. This portion goes to your bicep. If the Velcro gets moved a little bit, you want to make sure that the Velcro, if you look, if it kind of flops out, you want to run it underneath these strings. So it should go underneath those. And then you'll strap it to your bicep. So you want that to pinch your bicep in kind of nicely as close as possible. And then when you bend your actual elbow, like the other hand that we had before, when you bend, your fingers will close. So the way I've tied it right now, you have a little bit of adaptive grip. So what that means is these two fingers will close a little bit faster than these two. So if you're trying to pick up some kind of object, these will kind of provide a little platform. So these are going to be your big grippers. These are going to be kind of like a little platform for whatever you're grabbing to sit on top of. The other thing that's included with this hand is a little cover. So this little forearm cover can snap on to your wrist. So look, we got this forearm cover that snaps onto these little pegs. So if you look really, really close, you can see these little pegs, and a little forearm cover snaps right on. So this is just if you want to make it look a little bit more arm-like. You can do that. And then there's these two little flexible end caps. So if you look at these pins, there's a flat side, and then there's kind of a curved side. And on these little guys, there's a flat side and a curved side. So you're going to make sure that the flat side goes where the flat side is, and the curved side goes where the curved side is. And you'll snap these things on. So it's hard to show, but they're sides so that they snap right in, and those will secure your little arm cover. So you can do the same thing on the other side. Again, you have the flat side and the curved side, flat side and a curved side on the little rubber piece, and that should just kind of snap right in there very nicely. And that kind of secures the arm in place. So then there you have a full arm, and this is the way we'll be shipping it with the arm cover. Okay, I'm going to take the Velcro and I'm going to kind of rotate it around so that it's kind of pulling down on the cover. If you find this to be more comfortable with your arm pushing against the cover, you're welcome to wrap your arm this way too. And then I'm going to include a little bit of extra padding if you want to put more padding in here or more padding on the bicep, wherever you want it, maybe in some of these areas. And the last thing is this arm is made out of plastic that's called PLA, which means it can be molded. So what you can do, if it doesn't fit quite right, if it's not very comfortable, you can actually take a hair dryer or something very to blow heat onto this, and you can heat it up. And when you heat it up, it becomes kind of flexible, kind of squishy, and then you can remold it so that you get a nice good fit. So there's Amos's second arm. So let me know how this one works. Same procedure as before to actually make the arm work. And hopefully it works a little bit better than your last one. Bye.